silence, I remember two hearts, one soul, shaping my world. Sa bawat umagang gumigising ang puso ko, may dalawang ngiti na laging hinahanap ko. Isang ina na nagbigay ng aking buhay, isang pag-ibig na hindi kailanman nagkulang sa gabay. She whispered prayers when I was lost at night, while she holds my hand saying, "You'll be alright." Dalawang babae, magkaibang ilaw, but both of them my reason to stand proud. Hindi ko alam kung paano susuklian ang lahat ng sakripisyong kanilang inialay, but one thing is true in this broken world: they built my strength, my heart, my soul. Dalawang babaeng bumuo ng aking mundo. One gave me life, the other gave me love so true. Sa bawat luha, sa bawat tagumpay ko, they were the reason I never let go. Mama, and you, my love so real. You both taught me how to truly feel. Sa mundong magulo, kayo ang katahimikan ko. Two women who built my soul. Seeing na my first forever home, even when I'm wrong, she never let me go. And you, my love, you stayed beside my pain, turning all my storms into gentle rain. Tagalog whispers, English dreams collide, but both of you stay right here inside. Ngiti nyo ang lakas ko sa laban ng buhay. You are my forever guide. Every sacrifice, every sleepless night, you turn my darkness into light. I may not have all the words to say, but I thank you more than words can pray. Dalawang babaeng bumuo ng aking mundo. One gave me life, the other gave me love so my eternal glow. Kung may muli akong isisilang na buhay, pipiliin ko pa rin ang inyong kamay. No regret, no fear, no goodbye. Basta kayo ang kasama sa aking buhay. Dalawang babaeng bumuo ng aking mundo. You are my reason, my forever truth. Sa bawat awit ng puso ko, ikaw at siya ang melody ko. Mama, and my love so real. This heart of mine, you both can heal. Hanggang dulo ng aking mundo, to women, I'll always love you so. Two women, one soul. You've been